Warren Buffett's Management Secrets. Number 21. The Secret to Learning from Missed Opportunities. Mistakes of omission don't appear in financial statements, most people don't pay attention to them. Even the best managers miss opportunities. This often goes completely unnoticed. Warren freely admits he missed more opportunities than he should have. If Warren misses an opportunity, he spends time contemplating why it didn't cross his radar. Or why he saw it but didn't act. His reevaluation of the situation enlightens him to not make the same mistake again. There are two kinds of missed opportunities. Number 1. Opportunities missed because they weren't on his horizon. If this was the case, the solution was to expand his field of search. Number 2. Opportunities he saw but took no action. The most common reason is we miscalculated the risk involved. If we don't have the right information, we can't make the right judgment call. Warren lets his business managers make all the decisions, big and small. He trusts they know the business better than he does. A good manager is always looking for opportunities. They have the infrastructure in place to assist them. Always reflecting on the outcome for lessons on how to correct and do it better in the future. Another business tip from learnaccountingfast.com. Next, how to bank on the tried and true.